Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing an old unboxing. I apologize, I just didn't have the time to unbox these. Couple months ago, but I got them in the mail and I just want to share them with you. They are the Medusas Makeup Cruelty and Vegan Beauty. This is September. I'm going to do September and October's box, and I'll do November and December's box in another video. I found out about these boxes from LunaLily. I will link her channel name in my description box below. I absolutely love her. She's adorable. She's from the UK. So let's just get started. Let's get into this. This is September's box. So in the box you get a postcard and it tells you everything that's in it. You get a $5 off coupon. This is September's box this month. We transitioned from summer to fall. This is from last year and I apologize. With some fresh, neutral, and clean skin, which we all need to have clean skin. So the first thing we have in here is this makeup remover. This is really good for on the go, and actually I could probably use this in another video when I decide to do skincare. I might use this to take off all my makeup and then, ooh, that's a great idea. So that's just a makeup remover. It's an eye makeup remover, oil free. Let's see if it smells. Oh, it does smell. It has like a sweet kind of candy smell, like a candy apple smell. It smells really good. The next thing in this box is a tinted lip balm. These are always good because I always love lip balms. See if I can swatch this color for you. There's not really a smell, but that's what it looks like. Let's see if I can put it on so you guys can see what it looks like on my lips. I like it. It's a neutral kind of tone. So this looks really good on my lips. This is Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm Nourishing. And this is it again. This is the color Pucker. Okay. And what else we got in this box? And this color is Magma. This retails $12. The Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm retails $8. And the Eye Dust retails for $8 as well. And the last item you get is a tropical eyeshadow. And here's the box. It's a matte eyeshadow. It's in the color Bermuda. Let me take it out so I can show you guys what it looks like. Cruelty-free and vegan products. So that's why I like this brand. And I just thought it's really, really cute. So ooh, this is the color. Oh, that's really nice. So I can swatch it some more. Well, that'd be really, really, really pretty to do a smoky eye with. Doesn't smell or anything though. But that's the color, that's the casing. The casing's really cute too. So this is September's box. And the next box I'm gonna do is October's. Because again, I didn't get to do this for you guys and I apologize. But I think I prepaid for 6 months for $100, I believe. And then after that, I don't know if I'm gonna renew again. Because I like to get different boxes. I used to have Ipsy and I canceled that because some things in the Ipsy box to me were hit or miss. So the next unboxing I'm going to do is, I believe this is October's box. October is my favorite month, along with November, because November is my birthday. I love this. Look how pretty it is. It's like a sugar skull, but it's not. It's just a skull with flowers. It's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Exclusive to subscribers, and it tells you everything that's on it. And let's just get into this little box. It's so cute. Okay, so the first thing we got in here is a lipstick Chica. Oh my gosh, this packaging is everything. Look at the packaging on it. It's so cute. If my stupid camera would focus. Look how pretty. This is Medusa's lipstick, cruelty free, and this is in the color Chica. The box. Look at the packaging. This packaging is everything. Oh my gosh, it's like a dark purple. Oh, purple's my favorite color too. It's like a purpley wine plum color. There it goes. It's really, really, really pretty. And this lipstick Chica retails for $12. A travel size mascara. These always come in handy because you always need mascara wherever you go. This is Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash. And it's just a regular little wand. And then that's just the makeup container. And it comes in this little box and has a little witch on it. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I'm fascinated with witches. Ooh, the next item is a vitamin C facial toner. Oh, this mascara also retails for $10. This is a vitamin C facial toner. Ooh, it smells like lemons. That's why it has a lemon on it. Vitamin C facial toner citrus limon. And this retails for $12.95. It's kind of like a purse size, so it's a really good size. This is like good for traveling. Those two last items. And the last item, oh, Glam Rock eyeshadow in the color Rocket. Oh my gosh, they did not. I just saw like they put little, aw, I was like, what the hell was that? It scared me. They put little spiders in the box for Halloween, even though Halloween was 2 months ago. I don't care, Halloween's every day in my life. Look how cute. That was so cute of them for doing that. I'm like, what the hell is that? Okay, let's go back to the eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is really, really pretty. This is the color. It's like a golden, dark golden color. It's really, really pretty though. I do like it. Right here. That's what it looks like. Oh, look at the sparkles on that. That is really, really nice. Oh, and this goes for $9. So that was everything I got in October's box, including the little spiders and this little card. It's so cute. I love it. I think I might. So if you guys have not, please like and subscribe to my videos. Ring my bell. And I will see you beautiful birdie people later. Bye, everybody. Bye.